Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add Chrome extensions to Opera GX. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Opera GX browser on your computer. Once it launches and you see your homepage or new tab screen, direct your attention to the address bar at the top of the window. This is where you'll type in your search query to find the Chrome Web Store. In the address bar, type Chrome Web Store and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. This will bring up search results that include the official Chrome Web Store. This store is Google's marketplace for browser extensions, and the great thing about Opera GX is that it's compatible with Chrome extensions, so you can access thousands of add-ons originally designed for Chrome. From the search results that appear, click on the official Chrome Web Store link. This will take you directly to the store's homepage where you can browse or search for any extension you need. The interface should look familiar if you've used extension stores before, with categories and featured extensions displayed prominently. Now in the search bar within the Chrome Web Store, type the name of the extension you want to add to Opera GX. This could be anything from productivity tools like Grammarly to ad blockers, password managers, or any other extension that fits your needs. Once you've typed the name, hit enter or click the search icon to see the results. From the search results, locate the exact extension you're looking for and click on it. This will open the extension's dedicated page where you can read more about what it does, see user reviews, and check ratings. This page gives you all the information you need to decide if this is the right extension for you. Once you're on the extensions page, you'll notice that instead of the usual Add to Chrome button, Opera GX automatically changes it to say Add to Opera. Go ahead and click this button. This is Opera's way of making Chrome extensions compatible with its browser, and it handles the installation process seamlessly. After clicking Add to Opera, a confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to verify that you want to install this extension. Click Add Extension to confirm and proceed with the installation. The extension will now be downloaded and added to your Opera GX browser. This process usually takes just a few seconds depending on the size of the extension. Now look at the left side of your Opera GX browser window. You'll see an extensions icon there which looks like a puzzle piece or grid icon. Click on it to open the extensions menu. Here you can see all your installed extensions, including the one you just added. You can manage your extensions from this menu, enable or disable them, and access their settings whenever you need to. And that's it! You've successfully added a Chrome extension to your Opera GX browser, giving you access to powerful tools and features that enhance your browsing experience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.